Hi, this is part 2 of our infrastructure videos. In part 1, we installed the software needed for on the 4 servers in the 2 data centers. We created our logical volumes, and we changed our network interfaces to be in the bridges. In this video, we will do the Drbd configuration. So the first thing with the Drbd configuration is that we have to stop Drbd from starting uh, with this machine start, because we want the corosync and pacemaker to control starting it. So we will do Drbd remove, and we'll do that on all the hosts here. So we remove the startup scripts. And then the next step is to configure the global.com file. So I will just move the existing one and I will do the same on all the servers. And then we will create our own here. So this has the common configuration for Drbd that I don't need to put in every resource. And as you see here, maybe I will start it with CAD better, so we see everything. So basically it set all the handlers, and what we will do with the handlers, it set the times out for startup to make sure if it finds its peer or not. It sets the configuration for the disks with the fencing. So here I fence with resource and stoneth, and it sets the in 8.4. These are the configuration for the replication speed, and it sets what will happen after split brains and the conflicts. And the most important thing here, that I will allow 2 primaries because I want both nodes to be primary, so I can do the virtual machines, which will start of course on one node only, but at the same time it will make it the system will be able to migrate the virtual machines between the hosts. So I will copy this to the other host here, and we have our SSH already set. So all what I have to do is to say sp host 2 and to the same folder, and it will go there. And then here I will just create the file again. And copy it to the other host. And now we can restart our Drbd to make sure that it will start correctly. We don't have any resources defined yet, but we will do that soon. Okay, so now we have the Drbd setup. We need to start setting our resources. As we see, we have here, these are our logical volumes on this machine, on this pair, and these are our logical volumes on the other pair. So I have a script here that basically create all the pairs and give them the Drbd device numbers and everything. So I will just run this script here or copy it to here. So basically what it does, the Drbd ports start with 7788 and the device start with Drbd 0. So here I just get all the logical volumes that I have. Instead of creating one by one, get all the logical volumes that I have, and then I go through them one by one and I create the resource file. And I increment the port and the device, and this creates all the Drbds for us. So I will run this script here. And hopefully it will run correctly. Okay, so if we go now to drbd.d, it didn't create our why. Oh, it created them in the root. Okay, so we'll just copy all these res files to etc. drbd.d. So I have them all here now. I can just cat them to see if I'm correct or not. So as you see, I have lb1, drbd 0, and on the logical volume lb1 and SQL 1, drbd 1. So it looks good, so I will just copy them to the other host. Okay, and I will do the same on the other here. Okay. It created them here, so copy, etc. drbd.d. And take all the res files and put them on the other hosts. Okay, my next step here, now I have the resource files. I have to create the Drbd devices. And I also have a script for that. Basically, again, it loop through the LVM, the logical volumes, and it just create the MD. So, and this has to be done on all the hosts here. So. So bash. Okay, confirm. Oh, I know what's the problem here. The resolution files, the resource file, sorry, has the host names of the SP host 1 and SP host 2. This has to be changed. Good that it happened, so we understand more. So it has to be changed to SP host 3 and 4 here. So we will do a sed, a simple sed here. SP host 1, SP host 3. And the same for SP host 2 will be SP host 4. And then I will copy them again to the other host. And then now I can run my script. Bash. And bash. Okay, now I need to start these resources. And also it will be on all the hosts. And again, as usual, I have a script for that. So all these scripts I will make available on our website. So basically through Drbd ADM, it starts the resource. And if we do now Drbd overview, we'll see that we have all the resources started, and they are on secondary, and inconsistent. So our next step here is to make them all, we make them sync together. So we will just run the command manually here. Okay, so drbd adm force primary lb1. So now if we do the drbd overview, we'll see that lb1 is syncing between the two hosts, and this command should run from one of the pair, not from both, and it will start syncing. So I will finish the video at that. I will sync all the resources using the same command, and then we continue after that. Thank you.